Okay, here we are at enrich-wizard.enerzoid.com, and we're going to enrich some data within a text file with competitor information that might be useful in a sales scenario, marketing scenario, or just better understanding industries by reviewing the various competitors of certain companies. And I just want to show you how quickly and easily that can be done. So the first thing we do here at the Enrich wizard is get started. And then you can see all the different types of enrichment that can be performed here. This is data intelligence that can be added to any data set. And so if I scroll down, I can see competitor analysis, where there's 9 different output columns where you can get market position, strategic outlook, the industry that they're in, top competitors, and so on. So I simply click on that and then go to next. And real quickly, I just want to show you that you can go to competitor.enerzoid.com and try these interactively by just typing a company name, retrieve analysis. You do need your API key, of course, that you can get at enerzoid.com by clicking there. And let's go back to the batch page here. We're going to load a local file that we're going to enrich with competitor information. Now in this case, this is just a simple text file. There could be many columns, but here I've just got some company names, Nvidia, SpaceX, and so on, that we're going to use as the file that we're going to enrich. And so let me come to this, and then I simply click here to browse, and the name of that file was Companies Enrich. So I'm going to select Open. Okay. And that loads the file, and it does give me a file preview. It shows the first 5 rows so I can ensure that I have the right column. Okay. And then I'm going to click Next. And then it's going to tell me, okay, which column do I want to use as my lookup value? Well, since there's only one column in this case, that's pretty easy. And then these are all the output columns that I will get. So I will get all 9 of these appended to each one of those initial company names, and that's the intelligence that I'm getting. Again, I do need to have an API key here. That's how we keep track of your usage. You can check the number of credits, go to the API key here, and of course get more information. Behind the scenes, this, like all of the enhancement data functions, is an API that's in use. So you can go to API products and get more detailed information about each one of these APIs, including this Get Competitor Information API. But the next thing I want to do is click Next. And then when I do that, I get a summary. Lookup values in column 1. It's a CSV file. This is the name of my file and the enrichment function that I'm using, competitor analysis. And all I need to simply do at this point is click Run. I run the enrichment. Okay, and then there you go. I can see here that I have for each one of these. You can see if I scroll over, there's a lot of data here in this case. And this is just creates a comma delimited output file, which contains all these fields, so a lot of data. And then I simply save these results, and I would save it as a CSV file, just a text file that I then can load into Microsoft Excel, Google Docs, any type of analytics or AI tool I then want to do research on top of. I can quickly and easily get competitor information for any company around the world. And of course, I can even operate this in many different languages as well. If you have any questions, you can email us for or about a specific use case at support@enerzoid.com. And hopefully we can find a way to help you improve the value and ROI of your data and everything you do with that data. Thank you.